How to remove Temu minimum spend limit. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Click search bar at top of the screen, type in temu.com. Press enter on the keyboard and then you will land on the official interface of Temu where you have to make sure to log in and sign in to your account. For that, you can go to orders and account at top of the screen and easily log into your account. After you do that, click support at top right corner of the screen. A menu box appears on your screen where you have to click chat with Temu. Once the chat section appears, simply click on message and type in remove minimum purchase limit. Now press enter on your keyboard. A reply will be sent by Temu on this section. Here you can see different options or please remove or express the problem as in topic request. For example, where is some package I want to return the item I bought for a refund. Thanks for your patience. So you can easily express the problem in this way and after you express your issues on the chat bar, you can easily get the option to remove the minimum purchase limit and you can click on it and then remove the minimum purchase spend limit on the table. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.